Retirement planning is an important financial strategy to ensure you have enough funds to live comfortably after you retire from work. Here are some key points to consider. When to start. Start as early as possible. The power of compounding means that the earlier you begin saving and investing, the more your money can grow over time. Ideally, start planning for retirement in your 20s or 30s to maximize your savings potential. Why it's important. Retirement planning ensures financial independence and security during your non-working years. It allows you to maintain your lifestyle and cover expenses without relying solely on Social Security benefits. How to plan. Assess your current situation. Calculate your current expenses, savings, investments, and sources of income. Set retirement goals. Determine how much money you will need in retirement and by what age you aim to retire. Create a retirement savings strategy. Consider investment options such as 401k, plans, IRAs, individual retirement accounts, stocks, bonds, and other assets. Diversify investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes to manage risk and maximize returns. Regularly, review and adjust. Periodically review your retirement plan to ensure it aligns with your goals and adjust as needed based on life changes or market conditions. Tools and resources. Consult with a financial advisor to create a personalized retirement plan based on your financial situation and goals. Use retirement calculators and online tools to estimate how much you need to save and how different scenarios could impact your retirement income. Considerations: healthcare costs in retirement, inflation and its impact on your savings, Social Security benefits and when to start claiming them. In summary, retirement planning involves starting early, setting goals, diversifying investments, and regularly reviewing your plan to ensure you're on track to meet your financial needs during retirement. It's a process that requires careful consideration of your current financial situation and long-term goals.